The N95 mask is having a problem where it's only durable for about 12 hours, and we're trying to elongate that purpose by making different types of mocks and different things to mitigate the exposure of the mask to hopefully elongate its service life. With that being said, we've come up with different ideas and products that we found online and altered to adjust to make 2D images of and 3D images of, and then make multiple prints and different things along those lines to essentially adjust and make hopefully a resource to help elongate the mask usage, because we are in a shortage right now. We're using different types of CAD programs and different modeling people and multiple different people to essentially build up and improve the concept of the N95 mask. We were also prototyping our own and making our own type of mask, so we're not banking off of someone else's designs or ideas, and we can actually produce it by using different types of programs and softwares to actually fully encompass the mask, covering the full mask itself to really mitigate the exposure areas. Essentially, you can take this mask shield away from the N95, clean it, and use it again, and see how many uses we can get out of one shield. So we can actually disperse it to the base and help out the different agencies to actually keep the service life of this mask going, so that we don't actually run into this shortage so quickly. So maybe that the supply chain can then bring back more N95s with the idea that we have usage of the N95 elongated.